Hey everybody, it's Brian Leigh from BT Lee's Sauces and Rubs, and welcome to episode 2 of Kicked Off But Still Cooking. As you know, I was a contestant on the Great American Recipe, and I got voted off the island, so I'm still cooking with the contestants. Episode 6, 60-minute challenge, is all about recipe sharing. It's all about a recipe that is requested by everyone you know, that's so loved that they can't get enough of it and they need to have it at every summer picnic, barbecue, holiday, whatever. No recipe fits this bill better than my mom's cucumber salad. It is loaded with cucumber, onions, celery. It has sour cream, lemon juice. We've got tons of dill and tons of tarragon in this salad, and I'm gonna make that for you right now. So the first thing we're gonna do is add 1 8-ounce cup of sour cream to this bowl. This salad comes together very, very quickly and is incredibly easy. After this is added, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Splash. 1 teaspoon of salt. About a teaspoon of celery seed and 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice. And we're just gonna whisk this to combine. Now, I haven't added any of the veg yet, and I haven't added any of the herbs yet. We're just gonna let this come together. It's gonna take a minute. It's gonna look real weird as though it's broken, but it will smooth out fairly quickly here. At this point, we throw in the dill and we throw in the tarragon. Fresh dill, fresh tarragon. Make sure you give your herbs a nice rub prior to plating them, or prior to putting them in the dish. It'll release all those aromatics within that. Next, we go with the onion. We go with the celery. And we throw a heaping helping of cucumber. Now, all we're gonna do is fold. Fold to combine. The cucumbers, as it sits, will release a juice, and this will become more and more liquid. It's not gonna look that way at first, but the acid will break down the cellular walls, and this is gonna get extremely creamy and extremely fragrant. It's gonna be so fresh. It's gonna smell like summer. Well, at least my summers. So that's it. You're gonna pack this sucker into the chill chest for at least 2 hours prior to serving. I would definitely let it sit overnight though, because it's only gonna get better. Wrap it in cellophane, throw it in the refrigerator, and then serve it with your favorite kebabs and flatbreads. It's been about 2 hours and the cucumber salad has set up. I, in the interim, have made some kebabs, kind of a take on shawarma here in this house, and we're gonna serve it up with that. So as you can see here, the salad is nice and creamy. Smells absolutely wonderful. Heavy dill, heavy tarragon. It's creamy, it's bright, it's fresh. I'm not a careful human being. We're gonna get some of this kebab in here. This is what I like to do right here. I'll take it. I'll grab that. It's almost like a ziki deal. I'm just gonna eat this whole thing on a plate for you. Cucumbers, the lemon, the tarragon, the dill, the red onion just absolutely pops off. Every so often you get a bite of celery for that crunch. Man, it's fantastic. Don't even need the kebab. Anyway, It's to you, Mom. Have fun cooking.